With John Ring here at Blue Guns. John, you've got the new Taser.
It's just added to our line within the last 30 days. It's the X3 Taser. We have a complement of all most popular lines of guns in our product line here.
Okay, if we step back a bit, these are just a small sampling of what you've got?
Yes, we have over 150 handguns that we do currently. Long guns, we're looking at about 75. Anything the market demands, we can add to our product line in a relatively short time, about a week or less.
Okay, and what are these ones over here? Those are the real ones, are they?
We also make a line of
real
weapons that are used for theatrical use. They're used for movie industry. The military uses a lot of our larger weapons for display and for mounting on their vehicles.
Right, so these are absolutely dead perfect replicas?
They're a one-on-one exact copy of the original weapon. We also do a weighted line. If they want the true weight, we can add that to it at additional costs.
Those available for civilians too?
Yes, they are.
And the ones over there are part of the same series?
Same part of the same series, yes.
Are any of these you're particularly proud of, these ones?
They all are. They're all our babies. We take pride in all of our product line here and hope to do the best and provide a good product for the market.
Do you carry a weapon yourself with concealed carry?
I do not. I do not.
Where do you live?
I live in Melbourne, Florida.
And you don't carry?
I don't carry.
Why's that?
I just haven't felt the need of we're a relatively small town, and haven't felt the need or urge to do that yet.
And last thing I want to ask you about is a lot of people say that, well, not a lot, but some people say in some places that they want to ban replica guns because the police are going to mistake them. What's your reaction to that?
I believe that these weapons provide a service to the departments. If they're used in a responsible way, they are most beneficial to saving the lives of a lot of our officers and military personnel in training exercises.
What about civilians buying them?
We limit our sales to civilians. We try to regulate as much as possible. We don't want children to get a hold of these because they are realistic.
They have orange tips on them.
Yeah, but that can be easily removed.
So you limit the civilian sales?
We try to,
How
yes.
do you do that?
Through our direct-to-market sales. We do not have an online store, so we do not sell direct. We do sell through our wholesale customers, which are mainly law enforcement and military distributors.
Okay. So, but your people are aware of these issues?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thanks for your time.
My pleasure.